This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN Live, and we're at the LD Micro Invitational 2019 in Bel Air, California. With me right now is Dan Chicoine from Crescita Therapeutics. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is CTX on the TSX. Dan, welcome to SNN Live.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
It's great to have you on. So, for our audience, let's start off with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Great. We are a dermatological company focused on skin products, obviously, and we're based in Laval, Montreal, near Montreal.
So let's get a history of the company. When did the company start, and how did you develop to where it's currently at today?
Yeah, so the company was spun out of a Neuro Research Inc., another biotech company in Canada, in March of 2016. And shortly thereafter, we bought a skincare company in Montreal, and we have unique technologies that came with Nouveau Research as well as an approved prescription product. So from there, we've restructured the company, launched the prescription product in the United States, and we've grown and developed into a more profitable company over the last 3 quarters.
My next question is, what about the company then is unique and different when compared to your peers in the marketplace?
Well, we're unique in that we're in 2 markets. We're in the prescription market and a non-prescription spa market, which gives us a hedge being in those 2 categories. We also have 2 delivery technologies where we can deliver molecules more efficiently into or through the skin. And so we recently did research with CBD molecule, where our technology was able to deliver 14 times more CBD than the formulation without our technology. So that gives us a distinct advantage when we go and market our products.
And what's the size of those total addressable markets?
Well, they're multi-billion-dollar markets, both of them, and we only sell in Canada mostly for our non-prescription products, and our licensees sell our prescription product at different places around the world.
And what's your background? I mean, how did you come into all this?
I started into the biotech world in 2004 with Nouveau Research, and I was chairman of that company until 2016 when I took over, when we spun out Crescita, and I became chairman of that company. And so that's how, so I've been involved in a lot of drug development activities over the years.
So I also want to get an operational overview. How did we do in the last quarter?
We started being profitable in Q2 or Q3 of last year because the company was basically we went through a restructuring and started to fix the company and grow it and launched some products. So we've spent the last numbers of years just developing a very profitable, cash flow positive company. So we had a good quarter last year.
And then from what you can tell me as a public company, what are some of the company's growth drivers now moving forward?
So we have just reacquired the rest of world rights to one of to our approved prescription product called Pliaglis, which is the most powerful topical anesthetic approved by the FDA. So we just relicensed it to 4 countries in Europe, and we have another 24 countries left to license. So that's going to be one of our growth drivers. And we also have 2 other products in development, one for psoriasis that's in phase 3, and we have another one in phase 2. And those 2 should be available for licensing over the next couple of years.
And Dan, where can our audience go and find more information about Crescita?
Well, the best place is our website, which is at CrescitaTherapeutics.com.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN Live, and we're at the LD Micro Invitational 2019 in Bel Air, California. With me again has been Dan Chicoine from Crescita Therapeutics, publicly traded company. The symbol CTX on the TSX. Dan, thank you for joining me.
Thank you very much for having me.